Hello and welcome to our new lash extensions course. In this course, we will learn how to become expert lash extensions and their usage. So without further ado, let's get started. Module 1. Introduction to Lash Extensions. Lesson 1. Overview of lash extensions. Lash extensions have become increasingly popular among women looking to enhance the appearance of their eyelashes. These extensions provide fuller, longer, and more voluminous lashes that can last for weeks. In this tutorial, we will provide an overview of lash extensions, including the different types, application process, and maintenance tips. Types of lash extensions. There are several types of lash extensions available, each with its own unique features and characteristics. 1. Synthetic lash extensions. These extensions are made from synthetic materials, such as polyester or acrylic. Synthetic lashes are generally more affordable and offer a bold and dramatic look. They are suitable for individuals looking for a more glamorous appearance. 2. Mink lash extensions. Mink lash extensions are made from real mink fur, making them the most natural-looking option. They are soft, lightweight, and provide a more subtle and delicate look compared to synthetic lashes. Mink lashes are often preferred by those who desire a more natural appearance. 3. Silk lash extensions. Silk lash extensions are made from synthetic silk-like materials. They are thicker and more robust than mink lashes, while still providing a luxurious and natural look. Silk lashes are a popular choice for individuals seeking a balance between a glamorous and natural appearance. Application process. Lash extensions are typically applied by a trained professional at a lash salon or spa. Here is a step-by-step overview of the application process. 1. Consultation. During the consultation, the lash technician will assess your natural lashes, discuss your desired look, and recommend the most suitable lash extensions for you. 2. Preparation. The lash technician will clean your lashes thoroughly to remove any makeup, oil, or debris. They will also isolate your lower lashes and secure your upper lashes using a gel pad or tape. 3. Extension application. Using tweezers, the lash technician will carefully dip an individual lash extension into a medical-grade adhesive and apply it to a single natural lash. This process is repeated until the desired fullness and length are achieved. 4. Drying. After applying the extensions, you will need to keep your eyes closed for a short period to allow the adhesive to dry. This can take 1 to 2 hours, depending on the technique used and the number of lashes applied. 5. Aftercare. The lash technician will provide you with aftercare instructions, which typically include avoiding oil-based products, excessive rubbing, and sleeping on your face. It is essential to follow these instructions to maintain the longevity and appearance of your lash extensions. Maintenance tips. To ensure your lash extensions last as long as possible, it is essential to follow these maintenance tips. 1. Avoid touching or rubbing your lashes. Touching or pulling on your lash extensions can cause them to fall out prematurely or damage your natural lashes. 2. Clean your lashes regularly. Use a gentle lash cleanser or a diluted baby shampoo to clean your lashes daily. Gently brush through them with a clean spoolie brush to remove any buildup of oil, makeup, or debris. 3. Avoid oil-based products. Oil-based products can weaken the adhesive bond, causing the lash extensions to fall off. Opt for oil-free makeup removers and mascaras. 4. Be mindful of water exposure. Avoid excessive exposure to water, especially during the first 48 hours after application. Water can weaken the adhesive and cause the extensions to loosen or fall off. 5. Schedule regular touch-ups. Lash extensions naturally shed with your natural lashes, so regular touch-ups are necessary to maintain their fullness. Depending on your lash growth cycle, touch-ups are typically required every 2 to 4 weeks. Conclusion. Lash extensions are a popular beauty treatment that can enhance your natural lashes and provide a glamorous and voluminous look. With a variety of lash extension types available, you can choose a style that suits your preferences. Remember to follow proper maintenance tips to keep your lash extensions looking their best for an extended period.